Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how the seller can respond to a buyer's purchase order using the order response feature of advanced ordering in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. There are 4 order response status available: AB, acknowledged, the seller has received the order but has not processed it yet. AP, accepted, the seller accepts the order without any changes. CA, conditionally accepted, the seller proposes changes to the order, such as the quantity or price. RE, rejected, the seller rejects the order. This helps both parties communicate the status of an order throughout the order fulfillment process, ensuring greater accuracy and reducing misunderstandings. To begin, buyer need to create a new purchase order. Select the relevant supplier and item layout. Fill in purchase item details such as order quantity, item code, description, and unit price. Click the Additional Details button to enter an order line note, delivery date, and time, then save the information. Purchase order is recorded. Click Yes to send the purchase order via Invoice Now. On the seller's side, click Sync e-order status to receive the latest transactions. Next, go to Sales Register and open the corresponding sales order. The seller can click Additional Details to view the purchase order information. Then, click Order Log, navigate to the Order Response tab, and click New to create an order response. Select the appropriate response from the drop-down list to acknowledge the order. Toggle on the Remark button to enter a note, then click Send to submit the response. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the order response has been sent successfully. Next, click Refresh Submission Status to verify that the order response has been successfully submitted. Once the seller is ready to accept the order without any changes, create a new order response by selecting AP, Accepted, then click Send. Back on the buyer's side, click Sync e-order status to retrieve the seller's response. Open the corresponding purchase order and navigate to the order log to view the seller's response. A green tick under Submission Status confirms that the order response has been successfully received. This completes the order response process in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.